Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Ascend CRM for managed payments. So for this, I am here on Wix dashboard. Now in the left side, we have getting paid option and under that we have sales. So from here, go to sales and click on all payment. So there you will find all the payments which is received or which are pending. So from here, you can manage your payments because Ascend CRM is only used for tracking your payments. Is that pending? Is it received or on the way? So if you don't find that option on your Wix profile or your Wix dashboard, so simply go to sales and go to all payments. So there you will find all the payments which are pending in on the way or received. So in this way, you can manage payments on Wix. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.